In a Japanese-style tiny home on wheels, where the walls rest only a few steps apart, every decision matters. Here space is a precious material and storage, an invisible craft. The narrowness of the home does not call for more space, but for smarter space folded quietly into the rhythm of the design. Japanese architecture has long held the answer. Let the storage vanish into the structure. Cabinets in such a home do not protrude, they merge. Built flush with the wall, they are shaped with simplicity and balance in mind, slender enough to preserve walkways, yet deep enough to hold exactly what's needed. Vertical cabinets stretch up toward the ceiling like bamboo stalks, offering layered storage without crowding the ground. The key is modularity in multi-use. Under the raised tatami platform, large drawers glide silently out, revealing neatly folded futon, off-season clothes, or floor cushion for guests. These hidden compartments are wide but shallow, so nothing disappears into a black hole. Everything is visible and accessible in a single motion. In the kitchen, the cabinets are compact but intentional. Pull-out pantry tower hide behind narrow doors, revealing tiered shelving for spice, grains, and dried seaweed. Every item has a home defined by customizable dividers and inserts, so nothing shifts or clutter. Sliding trays inside deep drawers bring plates and bowls to the front without bending or remaking. Upper cabinets in the kitchen and bath are carefully placed, not too low to crowd, not too high to feel unreachable. Their clean wood face match the walls, and doors slide instead of swing, preserving the tight corridors movement. Often their presence is subtle, you don't notice them until you need them. The bathroom, though tiny, is a masterpiece of function. A shallow vertical cabinet fits into a wall recess, storing rolled towels and small basket of toiletries. Even the mirror hides the medicine cabinet. The edge softs, its surface reflective, doubling the sense of space. Throughout the home, open shelves are used sparingly and only for beautiful things: a hand-thrown table, a bamboo box, a potted moss. These items are intentional, curated, adding visual rhythm while preserving the philosophy of the beauty of empty space. Okay, and hooks and hanging rails are installed where cabinets can go, along the can entryway for coals and heads, beside the stove for ladles and pans. Even here, function meets grace. Every piece is chosen for its aesthetic as well as its utility. The final secret: concealment and flow. Cabinets align with the grid-like aesthetic of traditional Japanese interior, inspired by Fusuma panels and shoji screen. When closed, they form part of a greater pattern. Part of the architecture itself, there are no knobs, no handles jutting out, push to open mechanism or recess pulls maintain the home's clean face. In this world of measured space, storage is not added after the fact. It is designed into the bones, and that is the quiet genius of a Japanese-style tiny home on wheels, the ability to live richly and beautifully in a narrow world. There, the smartness of a single drawer can make the whole space feel infinitely wider.